Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a little 8x10 canvas and a tray with some leftover bloom paint scribblings. And I'm thinking I'd like to use them because this is okay, but it's not really like, it's not 100% thrilling me. So I'm going to just do a little transfer here and there. And I gotta get used to how this works because you only get so much per palette knife full. Sometimes you want to see what's on the palette knife and you cannot have it. But I like the colors and I like the patterns, and I might add some more paint. It's not impossible. I'm just trying to find places I think the patterns I like would work well. And then there's nothing to keep me from dragging a few tools through. Or cell activator. Once you can get the paint to start flowing off your palette knife, you can stretch out the design and pull the paint off better. Kind of want some orange. I've got enough paint to use up right here, right now, I believe. And the colors are kind of amicable to each other. It's definitely more interesting than it was. I think. Not 100% on that yet. Then all that's left after that is to decide if I'm going to add any more colors. And this will be a quickie. I've got some paint right here. Where do I want to put it though? I want to put it right there. I need to find some more. I need to put another color in my leftovers and scoop it up. I think I'm going to do what I said I was going to do. First, I'm going to take some paint, pillow paint, put it down. Whoops, that wasn't part of the plan. Q-tips would probably fix that. Spit on my finger will fix it right now. This is Passion. It's a primary element pigment powder that I mixed with vivid enamel. I'm going to use one of my little acetate tools and some Aussie Floetrol with Amsterdam Black. Probably not enough friction in there, but I got a few cells. I think I prefer the palette knives, to tell you the truth. So I will do that again, only this time I want some orange. And I'll just grab some more paint. And this time I'm going to put, oh, that's not a good palette knife. I'll grab a different one. Put some black. Cell activator on first. And some orange crush after, and see how that works. That worked quite nicely, actually. I'm really tempted to do that again. Depends on how much paint I got left, I guess. I could always squeeze it on right out of the bottle, too. I hate wasting paint. Even if it's just house paint, I hate wasting it. Especially if it's useful. If it wasn't useful, it might be different. It doesn't even matter if it's gray. It does matter if it gets paint chips in it, though. Off you. So I was putting the paint right on the canvas, but I think it works much better on the palette knife on top of a layer of cell activator. I'm happier with that by far. I do have some more pillow paint, and I do have a spot I want to put some. So let's do it again. I gotta remember, I'm not a good bloomer, because I keep dragging little paint. I call them mouse tails. I don't know if it's perfect or not. Definitely giving me the opportunity to play. I want to use a much bigger palette knife, I gotta say. That's my cell activator, so let's look at this for a second and see if there's someplace I really want to go to town on. Black cell activator. Passion, Primary Elements. And Orange Crush. I want a contrasting color like the cerulean blue, and I think it's coming right up. I see just where I want to put it too. I'm going to put it right there. I might be tempted to just continue on using my Passion though. I love the Passion so much. And I need practice at layering colors on top of cell activator. I do. A lot more drama. So that turned into something different, quite different. I'm going to link those things up. get rid of the evidence that I left a little trail across. Maybe merge this, pull that toward the edge, and add one more color, Arabian Sea, which I believe is a primary element. But it could be the new color mixes. I like that. I thought about using the blue velvet, which is the same as down here. Although that's probably not the blue velvet at all. I'm not telling the truth. I thought it was. It looks like it. Anyway, so I need a skewer without a hair attached. The bamboo skewers, if you cut the ends of them, they do have hairs, like fibers from the bamboo. Just a little fill in because that had a little piece of paint dragged across it. Alright, I actually really like that now. I like it more than I did, at least. Like a lot more than I did. I might have time for another painting, or I might not. But the cells are going to keep developing. And I'm not sure how it's going to look from your direction, so I'll have to turn it around. Oh, that's nice. I like it from a bunch of directions. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Well, let's do a little shimmer thing. And I got to remember that orange. The orange looks like monarch butterfly wings. Ooh, that's pretty. That is pretty. Let's see if turning off that light will help. I'm absolutely loving this, except for that one drip right there. Which evidently just needs to be either wiped up with a Q-tip or integrated, and we'll settle for integration. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Sweet, sweet little painting. Much more complete than it was the last time. Just fill in that one area that it looks like it has an incomplete mark on it. Alright, so I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Look at that shimmer. That's some awesome stuff. Yeah. I love it. And I love you guys. Thanks for the wonderful, kind words and comments you leave me. I appreciate them very much. I hope you come again. I have 2,500 videos, and you can find them by going to my playlists. All playlists, creative playlists, by going to my YouTube channel first. Love, love, love the orange, black, and passion. Don't forget the 20% off Colour Arte coupon code underneath the video for pretty much anything. The primary elements, the pigment, the Prizm pours, and where's my great tool? Love, love, love this tool. Get one of those if you're ever going to do anything like swipe large swipes, because it's the bomb. I totally love it. I didn't use it this time, but anyway, so I'll see you guys in 9. I am rambling today. And so this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, please can I have a thumbs up? Thanks for sharing. My paint pouring recipes are underneath the video. I do sell my artwork, and I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. My Amazon link is on the link tree. The link tree has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and Facebook groups for students. And I do sell my artwork. I mentioned that twice now. Everything that I produce is capable of being added to something else as a design, such as spring clothing underneath the video, Legallerist, Teespring, not spring, okay, that's enough. FireNetAmericanPixels.com. I'll see you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out.